Howdy there, folks. It's the Collector6819 coming at you with a 3-pack box of, I guess it's a mini box of the Yugioh Premium Gold Return of the Bling break. Let's see what we get. Let's see if I can get the wrapping off. One, two, three. Pack number 1. We have, this is Blackwing Pinky the Wax Moon. We've got Junk Giant. We've got Cephalon, the Ultimate Time Lord. Yugioh, the Forbidden One. It's nice. Book of the Moon. Okay, we've got Ghost Charon, the Underworld Boatman. Ice Lord Bella of the Underworld. Elemental Hero Prisma. I like that one. Number 101 Silent Honor Arc. And Chain Disappearance. And our last pack, number 21, Frozen Lady Justice. We have Dragocyte's Corrupted Nethersoul Dragon. Carl of the Haunted. Sylvan Sakura. And a Rekindling. So, there you have it, folks. That was one 3-pack mini box of Yugioh Premium Gold Return of the Bling. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.